Today we're slowing things down with the 5-minute routine focused on flexibility and relaxation. This routine is perfect for winding down after a long day, easing tension, or simply taking a moment to reconnect with your body. You don't need any equipment, just a mat or a soft surface and a quiet space. We'll gently move through stretches to relax your back, hips, and shoulders, leaving you feeling calm and refreshed. Let's hit the mat. Start by kneeling on your mat, bringing your big toes to touch and your knees wide apart. Sink your hips back toward your heels and stretch your arms forward, letting your forehead rest gently on the mat. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling your back expand, and exhale, letting all the tension melt away. With each breath, let your body sink deeper into the pose. Imagine the stress of the day flowing out of your lower back and hips. Feel your spine lengthen and your shoulders soften. This is your moment to ground yourself and prepare for the movements ahead. Take one more deep breath here and slowly rise to all fours for a next stretch. From all fours, slide your right arm underneath your left, lowering your right shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips square and let your left hand press gently into the ground for support. Feel the stretch across your upper back and shoulders. Breathing deeply into the stretch, let your upper body release tension. Switch sides now. Slide your left arm underneath your right, lowering your shoulder and head to the mat. Use your breath to deepen the stretch, relaxing through your shoulders and upper back. Hold for one last deep breath before transitioning to downward dog. Push up into downward dog, lifting your hips high and pressing your heels toward the mat. From here, lift your right leg toward the sky, keeping your hips square and your core engaged. Feel the stretch through your standing leg and length along your lifted side. Reach your toes higher, feeling the stretch deepen with each breath. Lower your right leg and switch sides. Lift your left leg high, pressing firmly through your hands and grounding your standing heel. Let your breath guide you as you stretch through your entire body. One more deep breath here before lowering to cobra stretch. Lower yourself to the mat and place your hands under your shoulders. Press through your palms to lift your chest, allowing your elbows to stay slightly bent. Open your heart to the sky, feeling the stretch along your spine and through your chest. Let your shoulders relax away from your ears as you hold this position. Each inhale lifts your chest slightly higher, and each exhale lets you sink deeper into the stretch. Feel your lower back releasing and your posture opening with every breath. Take one final breath before transitioning to your side for the lying side bend. Extend your left arm overhead, reaching toward the sky as you gently lean your torso toward the ground. Feel the stretch along your left side body, from your hip to your fingertips. Hold steady, breathing deeply. Feel the lengthening through your entire side. Extend your right arm overhead and let your torso stretch toward the ground. Relax into the stretch, letting your body find balance and release tension. Hold for one last breath, feeling your body unwind completely. Beautiful work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you stretched your back, shoulders, and hips, creating space for relaxation and calm. If you enjoyed this video and you're not yet subscribed, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. If you're already subscribed, make sure that your notifications are on and don't miss another daily stretching video. I encourage you to build a personal playlist with your favorite stretches. Let's keep moving, stay flexible and relaxed. And I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.